Like, that looks amazing. It really suits it with the red too. That looks really dope.
Hi everyone, so first of all I would like to thank all of you that subscribed last year, but also to the guys that has been here since video 1, so first things first, thanks for that. I'll quickly go through 2019 and tell you what 2020 will be. Let me know what video convinced you to subscribe to my channel, if it's like this year or previously. It's important for me just to know what content you like and what you would prefer like in the videos. Button. So I've made this one specially for PewDiePie, so I hope you see this.
Of carbon fiber. That looks sick. Like, that looks amazing. It really suits it with the red too. That looks really dope.
So as you might have seen in like the short recap, two videos did very well. So the first video was the YouTube button in carbon fiber for PewDiePie. It was shared a lot on different platforms like Reddit, did very well. So that was pretty amazing, and like the coolest thing was to know that he has seen the picture or the YouTube button and probably the video as well. So that was pretty cool. I got a lot of good response on the video, and like one of the topics as well was, are you Dutch? You speak like in a weird way and you say a lot of that's also like a thing. I'm from Belgium and I speak 3 languages. So I speak Dutch, French and English, so feel free to contact me in these languages if you want to. That's also the reason why I say or I would say like weird pronunciations like vacuum instead of vacuum. A vacuum bag is here, the vacuum is being pulled, the vacuum pump to a vacuum bag, again to the vacuum pump, and that's because English is not my native language. So normally I speak Dutch, and that's a quick explanation about that. Probably the best comment was the number of people willing to buy that Pokeball. So that was very special to me. I didn't expect that. And the thing was that like Creators Inc., so the guys making Pokemon and all that stuff, has seen the video as well. So I got the question a lot, can I buy it? How much would it be? When do you start shipping them? The thing is, I'm not going to sell them because they gently told me, and I'm saying like in a true way, it was not aggressive, but they strongly advised me not to sell these because they are quite heavy on copyright and stuff, and I truly understand that because it's not cool to have people copying your stuff. So they gently advised me not to sell them, but they advised me to continue making like these kind of things because they love creators, like fan-based things that are being made. So that's also an announcement. So in 2020 there will be a new Pokeball, so an improved one, like you could have seen in the comments. A lot of people asked for lights and something like shaking the ball. So that will be for 2020 with a new Pokeball, probably like the dark ball. So if you want to see that video coming up next year, make sure to subscribe and push that bell button like everybody's saying on YouTube, just to be notified when a new video will be uploaded about that. I'm thinking about launching the join button, so it's a membership on this YouTube channel. What will you get in return? So you get, like, I'll add the draft of the perks you will get, so it's probably going to be a Q&A, so I'll be answering your questions more directly about everything related in the video, and I think also your comments get highlighted. And I think you don't have to do this especially for the perks, as they're quite good to have, but it's more like to support this channel and make me grow and like be able to invest in new materials like this camera, for example, or new microphones and things like that. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of it? So I'll also mention nothing will change to like the usual channel like it is right now, so everything will stay the same. It's just that you'll be able to have some extras like behind the scenes or pictures being uploaded during like a project being made. You could have your input as well into the projects that I'm going to do. So I think it's a great way to engage a bit more with all of you guys. Most important of all, what can you expect for 2020? So it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I've been recording a lot of videos lately. So I have 4 videos all shot already. Most of them are already edited as well. So you can expect not 1 but 3 river tables in one video being made. It's been quite a lot of work, but I think the result is great. And there will be a voiceover this time, because in the last river table I did, there was no voiceover and some people complained about not everything being clear enough. So this will be like an upgraded version of this river table. So the second thing would be silicone molds and reproducing them, like reproducing parts with silicone molds. It will be bird-shaped objects, and you can cast them in different resins. So it's a cool thing to do, and very like basic entry tutorial. So the next thing would be a mask that I did for a Belgian DJ duo. So it's like musician DJ duo. As long as they didn't use the mask in a show, I'll probably not upload the video because I want to have the footage of them using the mask in one of their shows. So that will be early 2020 as well. And then the fourth thing is oh, that's a cool one. It's a foam, like a squishy Iron Man mask that I did with materials that were sent to me from Voschemie. So it's expanding polyurethane, and I think this is an upgrade as well for a video that's doing very well. It's the expanding foam block. So I'll explain a bit more in that video about expanding foams being soft. Good to mention is that I'll be doing a new skinning video, like for wrapping parts. I think it's like a basic entry tutorial. You don't need expensive materials. That's also why a lot of people start with that technique, and probably why people need most help. So I'll be doing a new skinning video, making like wrapping a carbon fiber piece. If you have some suggestions of parts that I should do, let me know in the comments below. So I'll be going from start till finish and explaining everything as good as possible, so people don't have to message me that much having troubles with their parts being skinned. So to end this video, I'll go through the video that I uploaded last year, where I've set myself a goal to reach 100,000 subscribers in 2020. So we're on a good way. A lot of subscribers have been added last year. And I'll still need all of your help to make this dream become reality, because I've made a few YouTube buttons, but never got one myself. So it would be great to have that first YouTube button officially coming from YouTube somewhere next year. So thanks everyone for being part of my adventures, and see you guys in 2020. Something that I want to add is I want to reach 100,000 subscribers in 2020, I think, to be reasonable, fair with myself.